Allah who is the most merciful and most kindness. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Naveed. My father name is Mukhtiar Gul. I live in Shahidabad. I am a student of Unique English Language Center. Today, I am so glad that my dear teacher gave me opportunity for presentation. Today, I would like to talk about Islam. Dear audience, what is Islam? What is the meaning of Islam? Dears, Islam is the religion of truth. It is the embodiment of the code of life which Allah, the Creator and Lord of the universe, has revealed for the guidance of mankind. For the proper development of human life, man needs two things: the resources to maintain life and to fulfill the material needs of the individual and social behavior, to enable man to fulfill himself and to maintain justice and tranquility in human life. Islam is very important religion all over the world. The people who follow Islam are known as Muslims. The Holy Quran is a complete guide to Muslims. The Holy Quran shows us the best way of life, that how we will pass our life. Allah says that those people who follow the Holy Quran, they will have no problem in their lifetime, because each and everything is explained in the Holy Quran. Dears, perform 5 times prayer in a day, do rosary, save yourself from backbiting, be justice and humble.